Hi, I'm Erin Perkins, and I've created this infographic for my school to guide our conversations during our PLC Plus data analysis sessions. Basically, how to talk so that the data works for us. The five main questions that we're using to guide our conversations follow the PLC Plus framework. This is something that our building leadership team underwent training on this past spring. So the first question starts with where are we going? Um, at our school, we use SHIP as an acronym for Scholarship, Humanity, Integrity, and Perseverance. So which SHIP behavior quality is our focus for today? What's our one target behavior that we want to educate our students on better? Um, that by looking at the question, where are we now? What are the numbers telling us based on our point sheet data that's been collected? Where are students struggling most with this targeted behavior? Is it in the classrooms? Is it in the hallways? Is it in certain classes? Is it with certain peers? Being able to figure that out as we teach new behaviors. How do we move learning forward? So what interventions can we put in place? What research-based strategies do we have that we know will help with this behavior? Has someone used it previously? Is using it now? Has it been effective? Has it not? Does everyone know exactly how this intervention, this strategy works? And if not, being totally and completely honest and open and explaining that with each other. What did we learn today? So what actions are we taking and are we confident in them? Have we role played what this intervention looks like? Do you know what it's going to look like in your classroom? These are all the valid questions that we need to be open and transparent about so that we can understand and we know what our learning as adults were, not necessarily the students learning and what they're going to be learning today, but what have we learned from our meeting and who benefited and who did not. Which students are going to be helped, which ones do we need to target next time, which staff benefited from this discussions, and what ideas do you propose for the next session? So like again, I said, these all came from the essential questions from the PLC Plus framework that our school is going to start using this year to guide our conversations to make the data work better for us.